All right, here we are. We're at Disneyland. Now, which park are we gonna go to? We're gonna go that one. We're gonna go that one. I think we're gonna go California Adventure. Yeah, let's do this. Let's go try this thing. That's scary, I think. Maybe? Yeah. Well, that looked interesting. Nice window. I like that. That was cool. A glimpse into the future.
Attention visitors.
Well, you'll see. Thank you.
I'm motoring through my truck.
All right, Mom.
More ponies, please. Have fun.
Woohoo! Let's go, let's go. Did it squash you?
No, I'm good.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Tour would like to welcome you.
We have a green light.
We conduct this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis.
Oh, child.
Human child.
A human
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can either confirm or deny the presence of a human child here tonight. I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers. It took me like a dog.
It's true. I saw the whole thing.
Happy birthday, Smokey Boo!
Oh, goodly bear.
This human child approached me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. And it grabbed me, giant.
Oh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Oh, you really got it! Free monster in the sky! Savage!
Not my birthday. Why not you cared about me?
Why not?
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. You got your instructions ready? Right out and lock it down. Nothing down here. Here's the girl they're looking for. Affirmative. Number 18319.
Hey, we're nice. What an exciting day. We're actors.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've been told you to set up on the skiff.
Doing so cool.
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
There's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
So fast, Lauren. They'll never get her home now.
Almost there, kiddo.
1319.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
Bye, good
Up, kiddo.
Good night. Katie's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
It's been
We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 992. We can either confirm or deny the presence of a human child. We responded to a
Yeah, we went to the cinema.
progress that
once troublous, it never happened. What are you looking
That was Mike and Sulley to the rescue. We didn't find Lee's, but we're still looking. That was fun.